A video is widely circulating on social media and claiming that Chinese PLA soldiers crossing the Indian border and entering Changtung village in Nyoma area, 135 kilometers east of Leh in Ladakh. The video was reportedly filmed by locals present at the site. In the video, two Chinese vehicles and Chinese soldiers in civilian clothes can be seen. They reportedly interacted with the locals. According to a report in Times of India, Chinese soldiers in civvies objected to the local nomads for allowing their cattle to graze in the area. The Chinese soldiers were pushed back by the local residents and the Indo-Tibetan border police personnel after they were informed. The ITBP personnel confronted them and they were forced to retreat, the report said. But has this been really happened in recent days? Indian government officials have denied any such claim. According to government sources, the video is an old video and a local civil issue. An old video is being circulated today. However, the matter is being dealt with by the local civil administration, said government sources, claiming that no Chinese troops intruded into the Indian territory. According to the sources, few local nomads with their pets entered into Indian territory and they were confronted by locals a few days back. This has not happened for the first time. This has been happening for the last several years as they are locals and roam in that area with tents, pets etc. and cross borders sometimes, a senior government official told. Sources said the matter is being dealt with by local civil authorities since it was not a military issue. Both Indian and Chinese grazers used to go to the said area for grazing every year. There have been many videos recorded by local Indians. Also, forces like ITBP officials are also in knowledge of it and this recent incident has also been reported at the appropriate level, a senior government official claimed. So the incident is nothing new and not be worried. Thank you everyone for watching this video.